Welcome back to another episode of The Original Meal. We revisit, recreate, and sometimes regurgitate vintage recipes.
Ew.
Today we have Amy visiting. She's our special guest. And Sarah. They don't know what we're making, and it's something I've never made before, so it's an experiment. You know, we'll see how it goes. All right?
Yep.
You good? You down with this?
I'm speechless. I'm just scared. Thrilled.
No, I was kind this time. I promise I was kind.
I'm so
All right.
scared.
I picked a recipe from 1958.
Love that year.
That's a good year. 1958 is a good year. It's apple season. It's fall. It's apple season. So I was thinking pies.
This is gonna be Sweeney Todd, isn't it?
I mean, that works for me.
Musicals.
I know. And that's one of the reasons I picked pies, because what's your favorite musical?
Waitress.
So I dug through the recipes. I wanted it to, you know, feel good for you, Amy.
Okay.
Feel
So
good.
sweet.
This cookbook is Good Housekeeping's Party Pie Book. Plain and fancy, handsome and delicious. Nope.
Oh,
Not handsome.
It is handsome.
it's not delicious.
It doesn't say delicious. Luscious.
Oh.
I can get behind that.
Handsome and luscious pies. You know.
Good. Can we hold hands for this while she tells us what it is?
I'm scared.
Yeah, here's the big reveal. You know what? How about this for the big reveal? How about this? Hang on.
Oh, no.
The first thing you'll have to do is roll out pie dough, pie crust. So it's a full pie crust, and then we'll do a top on it. It's a double
So should we stop holding hands?
rolling out between the two pieces of paper. Do you know how to do that?
More or less.
Okay. I don't know what your skills are.
It doesn't usually
My
come out.
skills are big fat zero.
All right, knock yourselves out. Go ahead. Do that, and then we'll get to the next part and you'll see exactly what we're making.
I'm scared. Believe, achieve, succeed. That's what you told me.
That is what I told you.
All those years ago.
How's yours rolling better than mine?
This is the way of the masters.
This is going well.
I've done this all 0 times. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I usually just buy the pie crust.
At what point do I get to regurgitate?
Well, I'm not sure. Eventually, in one of these episodes, you probably will. We're using Amy's for the top. She's got it going on. Sarah's still working here on the the bottom of the pie crust.
Good things come to those who wait. I feel like it's not doing anything else.
All right, then do this. Like unpeel it a little bit on both sides because it gets stuck.
Unpeel, don't peel.
Let's measure. Oh, almost there. You're almost there.
That's fine. It's done. Yeah, this is enough.
All right, let's see.
No, I'm telling you, it's done.
It looks like it is.
I can feel it.
You're good.
There you go. Good job.
My agent, that I don't have, did not tell me about all this. No?
That's fine, and then, you know, adjust.
It's so nice.
This kind of needs to be brought up a little bit here. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry.
You will be.
I'm so scared.
You keep threatening me like
What's your favorite pie?
fruit of the forest.
I like blueberry pie.
Blueberry pie. Okay, you guys are in luck. You are in luck.
It's gonna be like blueberry with a ham or like and like peas or something.
No.
Yep.
There we go.
Okay.
Because apples are in season, but these are also in season because everyone's garden has these green tomatoes hanging. That's not scary, right?
Well, I mean, in pie form, it's not like not scary.
Is this a savory pie?
Doesn't look like it.
It's a sweet pie. It's a sweet pie.
God, it's
My great-grandmother used to make it. I grew up on this. You have to core them, then thinly slice, then quarter the tomatoes. And you need about 4 cups. Or you can cut them and then just cut them out with a paring knife. This kind of seems like a lot of work.
All right, maybe I should. I'll let you do that part.
Okay, that's a plan.
Thank you.
That's a plan. Okay.
All right, how
This is a super sharp knife.
Don't use that.
No, it's really sharp.
It's so scary.
It's a good knife.
I did slice my finger once this year.
Oh, okay.
So that's that. How am I cutting this?
Imagine like you're making it with apples. So I think that's.
I've never made an apple pie.
How come we can't make apple pie instead?
What fun could that be? Is this going to be like 4 cups?
I mean, those are pretty big. We're making
like
pizza. A pizza pie.
It is a kind of. It's a tomato pie, which is kind
With
of
sugar,
like a pizza pie.
Cinnamon and nutmeg.
Well, a classic Italian dish.
There you go. Oh, nice. That's a good one.
Your voguing really helps me
I know.
slice the
It
tomatoes.
just like tends to give everybody around me confidence.
All right. Good job, ladies. Good job. Yes, give yourselves a hand.
Tomato hands.
All right, got the pastry crust, the tomatoes. In here, we need 1 cup of sugar. There you go. You can work on the spices, Sarah. And 1 salt. 1 teaspoon salt.
This is like in Waitress when the 3 of them stand together and make a pie.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
So it's a 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. So just, grind it up there and guess how much a 1/2 teaspoon.
Salt. Done.
1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. 2 tablespoons of flour to thicken it up. But since we can't use flour, we're going to use cornstarch. Oh my, wow, I'm low. Wow.
Recipe canceled.
Just going to put that in there and hope for the best.
No measurements needed.
None. Nope. Get rid of that. Let's whisk that up. Oh, nice thing. So, lemon rind. And then Sarah will be doing 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice. Yes. Yes, that's what we're doing.
You got this, Sarah.
Yeah.
So 3 tablespoons lemon juice.
Right.
Doesn't seem very thin. So we need 4 cups of tomatoes.
There we go.
All right. Excellent.
I think.
Wow.
We're very good counters.
Yeah.
I think
good
this
job,
is
guys.
Yeah.
Is this my friend Margarine?
It is. It calls for margarine.
Oh, thank goodness.
Margarine. We're doing 50s, so that's what they were eating. Mmm.
That's too big.
The color is pretty,
Yeah.
if nothing else.
Look at that. I think we're doing good. What do you think?
Never seen better in my life.
I've never seen a better green tomato pie in my whole life.
Dot it with the margarine.
Dot it.
Dot it.
You mean cut up into small chunks and then place it randomly throughout?
That sounds right.
Yeah. That's exactly right.
Great.
Yeah. You're doing really well.
This is gonna be awesome. All right. So do you want to leave it, or do you want to just slap it on and put a slice in it?
Let's cut it. Let's lattice it.
I did start teaching myself how to embroider. So
Oh,
maybe
there you
that'll
go.
help.
If you can embroider, you can lattice.
Alright, that got a little uneven.
Quiet.
The concentration.
Now we probably take the longer pieces and put them somewhere.
I don't think so. I don't.
I don't like this lack of instruction.
That's going under.
Okay.
Yep.
I don't
And
think
then-
I cut this very well.
Don't worry about it. Don't
And
worry.
then this
We're
is
good.
going under.
Yep. Okay.
And that's a lattice, baby.
Almost there. Almost there.
Almost there. Can you lift that up for me?
It's a group.
And then can you lift that up for me?
Of course.
And then can you lift that up for me?
Of course. I thought you would never ask, honestly.
I think we're good. I think we did good. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Yes.
Okay.
Big yes.
There you go.
This is a marriage pie.
Here we go.
Oh, that's so nice.
Perfect.
Amazing.
Beat
Just
it.
beat it.
Just.
Wow.
That was just a very cool dance. Really.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Put it. How's it look? Bathed?
Bathed.
Yes.
Okay.
Nice and shiny.
Bathed to the heavens.
Now we can put sugar on.
Just douse it.
Yeah.
Probably if you want a lot.
Yeah.
I think so. Oh. Ladies, you did it.
Wow.
Good job. 425 preheated oven. I remembered that. 40 minutes. So I'll see you back here in 40 minutes.
See you in 40 minutes.
Okay.
See you then.
Bye.
Coffee break.
Okay.
All right.
Should we close our eyes?
Yeah, close your eyes.
40 minutes later.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Open your eyes.
Oh wow.
Wow.
You did a great job.
Oh my goodness. Nice one, man.
You know, it's a little hurt desk, but it shows. She's a little.
Wow.
It's breathing. Look at that.
That's so pretty.
This will be about.
You're about to touch it. Don't touch it.
Why can't I touch
No,
it?
the side. You're about to touch the side. It's hot.
Wow, it's super juicy. Like this might be really dangerous.
If I lose any taste buds.
I'm serving. All right, here we go. We're gonna try this.
I'm not
What?
like particularly happy about this.
What?
Like I don't think it's gonna be terrible, but I'm not sure if it's. I don't know if it's gonna be like great. Piping hot.
I didn't think it would be that tomatoey, like slicey.
What do you mean?
No, like tomatoey. I didn't think it was gonna look that green.
Well, it looked really pretty before the cut.
It's too hot.
Wait,
Yeah, I like.
I only want a little piece.
This one I'll go in. I'm not scared.
The flavor's good.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad, but then you remember it's tomato, and you're like, yeah, I can taste the tomato.
Can you?
I can. I'll take like more than one bite of this, so you can't be
You're
that
gonna
bad.
take the whole thing.
Oh well,
My ladies, I thank Amy. I thank you.
thank you for having me.
You're very welcome. Thank you for being a part of this.
Yeah, thank you. This one was not terrible. I'm not. I don't know.
I told you I'd be kind.
I wouldn't make it, but it's
Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining the original meal.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share, please.
Share.
It means a lot.